Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Irenius, the operations manager for Tree Cutting Services Zimbabwe. Tree Cutting Services is an insured, professional and affordable tree cutting, tree trimming, tree topping, stump removals and site clearance company based in Harare. But our operations cover the whole of Zimbabwe. This afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, our client has tasked us to cut or remove 2 palm trees and also trim branches of jacaranda trees which are proceeding towards the road, and also branches which have got a probability or likelihood of falling over the jurao which is being constructed. So that is our job scope today. Before we commence any task, like what you are seeing at the moment, we do a pre-task risk assessment or a safety talk whereby we highlight or explain to each and every member of our team the job scope. What is it that we are going to be doing, so that everyone is clear on what needs to be done. We also identify hazards that are inherent in the task, and also put into place controls that make sure that even if the hazard occurs, everyone is going to be safe. So this is what we are doing. This is what we are seeing our team doing. Everyone gets together, then we help each other identify risks that are inherent in the task, hazards that are inherent in the task, so that our task proceeds smoothly without any injuries, because we maintain a zero harm at work. No one should be injured. So safety maintains a very important place in our company. We have erected the road signs along the stretch of the area that we shall be cutting trees to advise motorists of our exercise. There also shall be a flagman who shall appropriately stop or allow the cars to pass depending on what we shall be doing. We completed this task safely. No member of our team was injured. No property was damaged. This job was done professionally. So are you looking for a tree cutting, removal, topping, lopping, site clearance or stump removal service company? Come to Tree Cutting Service Company, the best company ever in Harare. We are waiting to hear from you. Get in touch with our team on 0772 593 344 or 0716 044 263. Thank you.